Statement on claims regarding the use of Social Security cards for debt payment. This communication addresses the persistent claim suggesting that Social Security cards may be used to pay off debts or make purchases. Such claims have recently surfaced online and have gained attention in various social media channels. An article released in the prior year examined this assertion in detail. Numerous inquiries have reached our office regarding whether Social Security cards might enable individuals to discharge debts. Despite requests for verifiable proof from those making these assertions, no concrete evidence has been provided. Individuals who claim to have utilized this method have yet to substantiate their statements with documented proof. The specific claim posits that a Social Security card functions similarly to a credit card, allegedly linked to a Treasury account. This purportedly grants federal exemptions that allow individuals to settle debts through credits issued by the government. Additionally, this theory implies that such credits can be used for everyday purchases and later discharged through an exemption account, citing statutory references such as 18 U.S.C. Section 8. In response to this claim, fact-checking resources and federal authorities, including the Federal Reserve, have unequivocally stated that Social Security numbers are not linked to any federal or banking accounts that could be used to pay debts or bills. Attempting to use a Social Security number for these purposes may result in significant legal and financial penalties. The Federal Reserve has issued official statements declaring that such assertions are unfounded, clarifying that the institution does not maintain individual accounts linked to Social Security numbers. We remain open to reviewing any legitimate documentation that demonstrates the lawful use of a Social Security card or associated number in paying off debts. If verifiable proof exists, please contact our support team via email with detailed, documented evidence, specifying that no falsified or altered information is used in the demonstration. It is noteworthy that similar claims predate the Internet era, demonstrating that this myth has circulated for decades. The repeated resurgence of this claim underscores the importance of vigilance in distinguishing credible financial advice from misinformation.